it's a pretty good device. My only downfall to this thing is that when you need to pull out one of the cords here, this starts to pull apart, and sometimes depending on how tight the cord is inside attached, it will pull this whole thing out. So for example, like see, this one's at the bottom here. So if I try to pull, it literally resetted everything off my computer. So everything turned off just now. See, do you see the button right there? On, off, on, off. That's frustrating. So you need two hands to pull whatever you're pulling out, to keep this from staying in and not disconnecting everything.